Hinduism and Yoga, two intertwined threads that have woven themselves into the very fabric of Indian culture. Let me take you on a journey through time and space, where ancient wisdom meets modern aspirations. In the vast expanse of the Indian subcontinent, Hinduism emerged as a way of life, a tapestry of beliefs and practices that embrace the diversity of human existence. It is a religion that celebrates the divine in all its forms, from the majestic deities that adorn the temples to the humble cow that roams the streets. Hinduism teaches us that the ultimate goal of life is to attain moksha, liberation from the cycle of birth and death, and to merge with the eternal consciousness. And then there is yoga, a spiritual discipline that has transcended the boundaries of religion and become a global phenomenon. Yoga, derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, meaning to unite, is a path to self-realization and inner peace. It is a practice that harmonizes the body, mind, and spirit, allowing us to tap into our true potential. Yoga is not just about twisting and contorting our bodies into impossible poses. It is a holistic system that encompasses physical postures, breath control, meditation, and ethical principles. Through the practice of asanas, we learn to cultivate strength, flexibility, and balance, not only in our bodies but also in our lives. Through pranayama, we harness the power of the breath, calming the mind and invigorating the spirit. And through meditation, we delve deep into the recesses of our consciousness, discovering the infinite well of peace and tranquility that lies within. Hinduism and Yoga, two rivers that flow together, nourishing the land and its people. They are inseparable, like the sun and the sky, the moon and the stars. They offer us a path to self-discovery, a means to transcend the limitations of our physical existence and connect with something greater than ourselves. So, let us embrace the wisdom of the ancient sages. Let us honor the traditions that have stood the test of time. Let us delve into the depths of our being, exploring the vast ocean of consciousness that lies within. Hinduism and Yoga, a timeless union that holds the key to unlocking the mysteries of life.